If you want to protect your privacy and keep other people out of your Firefox browser, then in this video, I'll show you exactly how to put a password on Firefox browser using a simple extension. This is a quick and easy method that works great if you share your computer or just want an extra layer of security for your browsing activity. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the menu icon. This is the three-line button that opens the main browser menu. From there, click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox add-ons area, where you can install browser extensions that add extra features. Once you're inside the add-ons page, click on the search bar and type BrowserLock, then hit Enter. After that, look through the results and select BrowserLock from the list. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you can install the right one. Now click Add to Firefox and then click Add again when Firefox asks for confirmation. This step installs the extension directly into your browser. After the extension is installed, you'll need to set it up. To do that, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of Firefox. This icon shows your installed extensions. From that list, click on Browser Lock and then choose Set Password. Now type in the password you want to use. Make sure it's something you can remember, but also something other people won't easily guess. After that, re-enter the password to confirm it. Next, you'll be asked to choose a security question. Select one from the list, then type your answer carefully. This will help you recover access if you ever forget your password. After that, you'll see an option for manual time recovery, which is measured in days. Choose the number of days you want for the recovery period. This setting controls how long the extension waits before allowing recovery options. Once everything is filled out, click Save, and then enable Lock. That will activate the password protection on Firefox. From this point forward, anyone trying to open the browser or access the protected settings will need the password you created. And that's it. You've now added a password lock to Firefox browser in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.